payment collection application for people who are at bottom of the pyramid, people who are not that tech savvy, who don't know how to operate these data pod apps. So we are building a simple application for them to do collect payments, wherein we make use of their voice commands to collect payments. I received this info on the Your Story page, and when I opened that link, I saw simple information fields which asked basic things about a startup, the app, the product, the idea, the traction and all. So we filled it and we got through an interview and we got selected. Since we are dealing with an industry where you need to be compliant, you need to pass on all the due diligence because we are dealing with payments. We needed to get connected to a lot of banks and bodies like NPCI. So through this program, we were able to do that. We got in touch with NPCI, which also gave us access to their sandbox, wherein we are trailing our technology with them. We are a SaaS startup, so we got in touch with SaaS experts, domain experts, and GeogenNext also brought the people from leadership board of Reliance to give us knowledge session. So these sessions were one of my precious takeaways, you can say. We come with expertise in engineering and technology, so building business model or revenue model is not our cup of tea. So we got in touch with people, analysts and other guys from GeogenNext team who helped us to draft a proper revenue model and proper business model canvas. We are targeting SMEs and other people who are at the bottom of the pyramid. So we, through GeogenNext program, we are able to get connected to them. It might be NBFCs or it might be banks or it might be the alumnus of GeogenNext program, because most of our customer base now is the alumnus network of GeogenNext. Yeah, by coming 3 months, we see a traction of 50,000 users, and by end of this year, we will be able to onboard at least 1 million users.